how to choose methods for adding media on um, Amo app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find or how to choose methods for adding me on Amo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your application. Once you are there, click on your profile icon and now click on settings and you're gonna find privacy. Click on it, scroll down and you have between contact options, method for adding me. Click there. Now you have story, recent visitor, profile share, QR code, private group, public group, voice club, people you may know. Turn on or off this option, whatever you are comfortable with, and turn off the option you don't want. For example, this one, this one, this one, whatever you want. So this is it. Don't forget to subscribe and like.